As fear and greed is hitting an all-time low, I want to talk to you guys about something on these charts that could show Bitcoin going back to $58,000. Let's get it. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about this Bitcoin chart. I want to talk to you about the total chart, all of the altcoins and Bitcoins put together, and let's look at this market from an overall standpoint. I want to talk to you guys about the total too just a little bit, but I want to show you something on these charts that might show a target of 58k Bitcoin and what we need to hold to actually get there. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, leave me a comment in the comment box of any cryptocurrencies you want me to look at, because I am going to be doing a community coin video, because I do believe, yes, it is hunting season once again. So let's get right into that. Oh, but if you want to get in my Telegram group, let me know. There is instructions in the description on how to do that. They're very simple. If you can't follow those instructions, don't even bother. And if you want to check out the website and see, I got merch on there, I got NFTs, all type of stuff on there, crypto hats, crypto t-shirts. Check that out if you are so inclined. So let's get right into this video. So right here we are looking at the total. Now the total, everything on these charts, they look like kind of 50-50, right? So if I were to say, what do you mean 50-50? Well, right here with this high, we have a higher high right here. Even this is a higher high right here, so that is a bullish sign. People are also calling somewhat of a double top. I wouldn't call this a double top right here yet, because this is a higher high, so I can't say there's a double top right there. Right here you have a low, you have a higher low, and then you have this low. So this is the level that we really need to watch right here. This level right here, this low is down here at $1.76 trillion, and the low that we had recently is at $1.87 trillion. We need this market structure to stay above this red line for it to stay in something that we can consider that might go back up. If it drops below that, then you have some type of other patterns that are getting confirmed on this chart, and we can see a lot lower numbers. So interesting thing right here is we are having this bounce right on this line here. This pattern would bring us back up to this green line. That would be extremely bullish for the entire market, and the reason why I say that is because you have this line right here that's kind of the resistance level from this entire thing. That's where a lot of the trading was happening right there, and these lines are marking this downtrend. If I take the target from this pattern, you can see, and it breaks out right, say down here or right here somewhere, it's going to put us 75%, put us somewhere around that green line. Let's actually bring that line up a little bit just to make it a little bit more accurate. Now hopefully this happens. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, I can see that this might look very similar, and it could happen. We got the TDI down here bottoming out, getting really oversold. We got the MACD looking like it wants to start curving back around. We got this green line acting as major support right now. Bouncing off the 40k level was a good sign, but this downward pattern right here, if we break out from there and we get some type of breakout from there anywhere, we can see that, hey, our target going back up would be somewhere around 57,700, or even if we start to break out sooner from here, then we can definitely go up and hit somewhere like 58k. Now we break below 39k, like I said, it's looking ugly. We might be going back down to 29k. Either way, there should be some money on the sidelines for you to go ahead and do your thing. It's not financial advice, but that's just what I'm doing. Now this pattern right here is looking pretty interesting, and this is not my idea. I got this idea from Twitter from Crypto Senorita, so shout out to her, give her a follow. But you can see this pattern. It's usually what it looks like. So if we break out from here, 58k would be a pretty nice target for us to hit. Fear and greed is at a low. It's been there for a while, for definitely a couple months. When we see this over here and in the fear side, that's usually when it's time to start buying. Even though it hurts to buy, you want to buy when there's blood in the streets. So there's a couple people who say buy the dips that make you sick. And in a bull market, that is a good strategy. And right now, these charts are still showing that we have not broken into we haven't broken structure to go into an official bear market. So it is what it is. Use that information however you want to use it. I hope this helps some people out. Me, like I said, certain coins, looking for those bounces. Other than that, I'm just holding out and seeing what happens at these levels, because these are the levels that we need to hold, and we are holding them so far. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Do you think Bitcoin is going back down to 29K? What's your strategy? Are you selling all of your altcoins, or are you buying altcoins right now? Me, I think this is trying to shake out a lot of the people who've been in this market, retail investors making money, and we're holding up levels that we need to hold up. So fingers crossed, let's keep that going. Like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Like I said, leave me a comment of anything you want me to talk about in the comment box. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time, peace.